Gita that you know of class 10th, a student at Gramin Pragati Senior Secondary School, Matosingana Sirsa. Well, we are free, totally free, and we are applying our rights without any democracies, without any discrimination. This is the contribution of who he is, who he was. He stayed with us and he breathed with us. Who? Today we have every type of comfort and convenience with who contribution. So Dr. Baba Saheb, Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar's contribution is this. I mean, he's not God. He's not God for me, but he is not less than God for me because he did something which has made me to stand in front of you, to address you. As a young boy, he was forced to sit outside his classroom with his gunny bag and slates. Years later, he became a man who walked into the Parliament House and holding the greatest document of our Indian history, the Constitution of India. Life should be greater. Life should be greater rather than long. I inspired from Baba Saheb to know about his determination and courage. Despite all the hardship that he faced in his life, he rose up from them. He rose up from them with that determination. He answered to his oppressor with education to become one of the best leaders of this country that I ever seen. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar was independent India's first law minister who envisioned India which believed in religion of fraternity, equality and liberality. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, as a young boy, he was forced to sit outside from his class, could not touch the same part as his classmate, refused to take education in Sanskrit. He often subjected with humiliation. Why? Do you think why? Just for being born into a suppressed caste, just for being born into a lower caste, but there is no deterring from his goal. His goal to make every Dalit man realize their individual identity. His goal to make every woman in this country cherish prospect of freedom. So, that's why I am saying he is not